What's going on everybody, this is Abhay Alex and today I've got a review video for you guys. It's of the most popular YouTube microphone, the Blue Yeti. It is among the most awesome sounding microphones for voiceovers, instruments, field recordings, events, etc. So from now on, all my videos will be recorded in this microphone. So without much ado, let's get started. So first things first, we'll do a quick unboxing of the microphone and then jump into the review part. Opening up the box, we get a box. Inside it, we first get to see the user manual and a USB cable. Then further, we have our Blue Yeti microphone. So that's all we have in the box, nothing much special in the unboxing experience. Alright, initial impressions, this thing is heavy. It's around 1.5 kilos and seems to be big in size. So let me just give you a physical overview of the microphone. At the front, we see the company's branding. Below, it has the mute button, which is used to mute our audio. Then it has the volume control knob. This thing controls the volume of the 3.5mm jack, which is placed at the bottom of the microphone. Now at the bottom, we have a USB slot for powering the Blue Yeti and for saving the output audio onto your PC. Next to that is the standard threads for attaching this mic to a stand. Then we have a 3.5mm jack. This is specifically for live audio feedback from the microphone itself. This function is mostly used when you are recording a song and you want a live feedback of what you are singing. Now, at the back side, we have two knobs. First, the gain. Gain means how much sensitive the mic should be to capture audio. Second is the pattern selector knob. Now there are 4 different patterns you can record your voice in. First is called the stereo mode. As the name suggests, the microphone will pick up sounds from the right and the left channels and give the output to the same right and left speakers respectively. So we get that stereo experience. It's perfect for recording acoustic guitar or choir. Second is called the omnidirectional mode. In this mode, the microphone will capture audio equally from all around the mic. It's best used in situations when you want to capture the ambience of being there, like a live recording of a band's performance. Third is called the cardioid mode. In this situation, the mic will only pick up voice coming from the front direction. It's well suited to podcasts, vocal performances, and instruments. Fourth is called the bidirectional mode. It records from both the front and the rear of the microphone. It's ideal for recording a duet or a 2-person interview. So that was all about the modes. Take a note, the proper way of recording audio in this microphone is not like this, but it should be properly aligned so we get the accurate sound. The reason behind that is the condenser capsules are aligned in the periphery of the grills and not in the top position as all the conventional mics have. Speaking about the button and knobs quality, it's not that premium. The mute button has a little play in it and the knobs at the back side are not fully covering the internals. But one good thing is the pattern knob is pretty rigid and some amount of force is required to change the modes, which is good as we can confidently change the modes without actually seeing it. The weight of the microphone I talked about earlier is because of its stand. The stand itself is of 1 kilo and the rest 500 grams is of the mic, which is not that much. Beneath the stand, we get the rubber pad to firmly hold the mic onto the base. We can tighten the mic in the required position with the help of the 2 screws which are holding the mic with the stand. We just have to rotate the screw in the opposite direction to each other and vice versa to loosen it. While we are in the middle of a recording and we want to mute our audio, we can just use the mute button. When it's in recording mode, we will get a solid red color, and when it's in muted mode, we get the LED flashing. Now talking about the design, I specifically didn't find any pitfalls. It seems to be alright, and when we have finished our recording, we can just invert the mic and keep it so as to prevent it from catching dust. The Blue Yeti comes in 3 color options: silver, blackout and platinum. Mine is the blackout edition. Now for the installation part, it's very simple. You just have to plug the one end of the USB cable to the PC and the other end to the microphone. No drivers are required, just set the Blue Yeti microphone as your primary recording device and you are ready. And in case if you want to connect it with your DSLR, that is also possible. You just need an auxiliary cable for this. Maintain the existing setup and just plug the one end of the auxiliary cable to the 3.5mm jack and the other end to the DSLR's mic port, and that's it, you are ready to roll. So now the major part. How does this microphone sound? I'll play some recorded samples and you guys be the judge, and also comment down below and tell me your views. This is the audio from the DSLR's mic port for testing purpose. This is the audio from the Blue Yeti microphone for testing purpose. Take a note, while you're recording audio keeping the microphone on the desk, make sure you're not shaking the desk much as the microphone picks up that too. So rounding it up, I really like this microphone and it would be my main recording device for a couple of years. Some flaws here and there, but nothing major. And if you guys are planning to buy a microphone, give this guy a shot. This is Abhay Alex and I'll see you guys in the next one.